Hey friends, Kim from stampingandperfection.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to make a very quick card today using this sketch from Atlantic Hearts Sketch Challenge. This is sketch number 400, so this is a big milestone for us, and we would love to have you join us. You can see that this is a nice and easy, clean and simple sketch. There is a line element there, and you could use ribbon, you could use cardstock strips, you could use, you could mask it and paint those on, or you could do like I'm going to do and use washi tape. So I've got two washi tapes from Doodlebug Designs. I've got one called Peppermint Twist and one called Ladybug Swiss Dot. Then I've got a really cute Doodle-Pops little sticker set, and this is called Stocking Stuffers. These are cardstock stickers, and they're pretty amazing. So I've pre-cut all my papers. My white card base is cut at 5.5 by 8.5. I scored and folded it at 4.25. I have a piece of red cardstock cut at 4 by 5.25, green cut at 3.75 by 5, white cut at 3.5 by 4.75. And you could take a screenshot of this or pause it and write those down if you want to. I'm creating a lot of layers here. The sketch didn't really call for a lot of layers. It just, called for one layer essentially. But I think it'll be kind of fun to kind of make this layered. Now, I am using pretty wide washi tape compared to the size of the card front because I'm doing the layers and I left quite a bit of color around each layer. This is pretty wide washi tape, but I just love the patterns. Doodlebug has such cute washi tapes, and this polka dot pattern I bet I have in 4 different colors. I love it so much. So I just layered it on, and I'm pulling the top one back because I want to make it look weaved. That's what it looks like in the sketch. So the long red went over top of that top piece, so the stripe pattern will go below. So I'm going to carefully peel up the stripe pattern, put on the second piece of stripe pattern. It's going to go over the top of the polka dot. It'll go under the stripe. So I've got that little weaving detail going on there. So I don't think this is too bad. It's not overpowering it too much. It's not leaving as much white space. I'm just folding over the edges. I find that it sticks better when I fold it over like this as opposed to cutting it off at the edges. So I like it this way better. And now I'm just going to add I'm just going to use this tape runner that I have. And this is from Scrapbook Adhesive. It's like called Easy Runner or something. This is actually white instead of clear. So, beware when you're purchasing the tape runners. Not all of them are clear, I learned. So I'm just I'm just going to now put everything together just with the tape runner. It's going to be that simple. So I chose the green here for my first layer because there was a lot of green in that sticker that I'm going to use. And then the red, of course, and I don't have a ton of like colored cardstock, so this red is a little darker than I would choose if I had unlimited choices, but I'm working with what I have. So now I'm just going to layer it on the bottom. I always like to open up my card base when I put the front on, like I'm doing right here. I seem to have better luck lining it up and spacing it when I do this. These little Doodlebug little pop-up stickers, cardstock stickers, they're called Doodle-Pops. They're so adorable. I'm just going to use that stocking, and you can see like it's just got like 3 layers. It's amazing. So now I just need a sentiment. So I pulled out this Altenew stamp set that I had in my stash, and it is called what is it called? Pine something. Beautiful Pine, something like that. It's a gorgeous stamp set, and it's Plentiful Pine. I pulled it out because it had some nice small sentiments, and instead of doing this in black like I usually do with my sentiments, I'm going to use Catherine Pooler's Rockin Red because I think that Doodlebug Swiss dot tape looks so much like the Rockin red. I think it's just perfect. So now the peppermint one has the darker red, like the cardstock panel that I used. So it's kind of working out. I'm kind of pulling the colors all in. So I'm just going to tip this sideways, and that's that. And just showing you the dimension on that, I feel like you could pull that apart and have like 3 of those or 2 of those at least. But I decided to add some extra adhesive on the back of this so that it would definitely stick. Like if I send this through the mail, I definitely want this to stick. And if I send this through the mail, it'll probably be in a box with gifts. Now, those other 3 stickers that I have are going to go probably in my traveler's notebook for when I journal or do my memory keeping. And there it is with the sketch. I think I nailed it. How about you? So, and I don't mind the large washi tape on the little white space. I think it's kind of fun. It looks like a gift. So I think this is a super fun sketch. We would love to have you join us at the Atlantic Hearts Sketch Challenge for the week. I'll put the link below. Please stop by my blog at stampingimperfection.com. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe while you're here if you haven't already. And click the bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful holiday, my friends.